And 4K International gives to you Barbados. Yes, Barbados in 4K, and nothing less, so don't you dare miss it.
Whether you're starting or maintaining a home garden or are a seasoned farmer.
Studio apartment centrally located, Bridgetown, Christchurch, Barbados. Private room in a condo hosted by Violet. During your stay, Violet is available by texting and WhatsApp to 246-259-1044. Email to vsdsfashions@hotmail.com. Violet loved interacting with her guests when it's warranted, but she also liked to give them space. Her apartment complex and private home with a boutique attached. This place offers public or shared beach access, kitchen, Wi-Fi, dedicated workspace, free parking on premises, TV, security cameras on property, $55 US a night, walking distance to the beach and shopping complex, 7 minutes drive away from U.S. Embassy. Bridgetown, Christchurch, Barbados is a very peaceful neighborhood centrally located to beaches, gas station, supermarkets, stores, banks, post office, and bus service. Getting around, guests can easily take a bus or van to Bridgetown. Taxi service is also available right here on premises. Check for availability right now. By the way you want a taxi, look no further. Here is the best taxi service in Barbados. Taxi and BGI Beckles. This taxi service is simple the best. You can contact Taxi and BGI Beckles at 246-241-6015.
It's a comfortable room up there, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Reasonable.
Reasonable, that's right.
And as I said, the location.
Yeah.
You can get food, you can get supermarket
That's
stuff.
right, yeah.
You can walk around. Right, but where you stay, there ain't really much happening there.
Yeah, if me reach earlier, man, me that don't walk all the way across. Since 4 o'clock, you know. Yeah, because
I think the lady, she the flight was still showing delayed. It never showed arrive.
Yeah, because what happened, I go on the next flight that's supposed to come after my flight.
Right.
Because my aircraft break down.
Yeah. So what she was saying, we wonder, we ain't get it. I guess she that you already in the room, but I home. And she was told she then doors back off, so she didn't. Right. Not all it know she would be up.
So the embassy located right DHL, something like that, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so that you will see something different.
Yeah, that's right.
This area called it the Gap.
Oh, the Gap.
Years ago, this was getting back a little popular.
Yeah.
All of these, the Yellowbird Hotel, all of these restaurants and places, hotels and things.
You can turn on the radio.
Oh, yeah.
Right, copyrights.
This is one-way street.
Okay.
These was nightclubs.
Yeah, one here look nice, man. So, one here, the action. Okay. Barbados, man. Yeah, always a joy when coming back.
Hotels, life.
Yeah. Yeah, when I put on the internet, I saw your message just pop in, man. They say,
Yeah. I didn't even click.
Yeah.
That I could have left the message of your
Yeah.
I ain't click. And then,
That's,
I didn't think.
because I didn't have any internet at the airport, me have to call my wife in order to get to you.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
so
right.
I say if you know, you should have passed it on to her, and then yeah.
Exactly.
And next time, man, we can do when we call her, come back next time. Maybe not for a visa, but just to visit.
Right.
Yeah. Can just let us know early when we contact you. Yeah, I'll get it.
Yeah, the sports wrong there. It's got football at night or cricket or the Predators down the play tennis too.
Yeah.
Right, got the lights, right?
That is a hotel?
Yeah,
Guest house?
it's
Okay.
like condos.
Condos, okay.
Yeah. This is time out. People stay there right about.
Okay. Oh, time out hotel, okay.
Yeah.
One thing I love about here, the place keep clean, man. Yeah. And nice.
Hotel here, Ocean 2.
Okay.
It's 5-star. That's all inclusive. So you know that would be a bit pricey.
Yeah.
Hotel's back there, Melbourne in Dover Beach.
Okay.
Across there. Yeah. Here on your left too. Turtle Beach.
Beach.
And this here now is Sandals.
Where?
Yo! Alright!
Where's Sandals? Over there?
Here,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is where they were got the what was that, made in the side of it.
Okay.
Do the food and things,
Yeah,
then they will
yeah,
cross over the road there.
Oh, yeah.
It's Sandals.
Oh, you have a big one here too, man. You have a big one in Antigua too.
Then there's one above this that near Sandals Royal, which should be more
Okay.
pricey.
That's the same company? Or
Yeah,
different? Okay.
yeah. But that one would be sometimes get Rolls Royce and all that, picking you up Bentley and things.
Okay.
Yeah. Them Jehovah's Witness ain't easy, boy. Them is
Yeah.
fearful. Yeah, you hope that today to come
Yeah.
back tomorrow and they got the tracks out there.
Yeah, man.
Oh, these is little apartments and things.
Okay. So what this area called?
We come through St. Lawrence Gap, and now this area now is Dover.
Okay. And this road is
Right, this Dover Road.
Dover Road. Okay.
Right. Then we met you right now and going up now.
Yeah.
Which that's where you can take is Maxwell.
Maxwell. Okay.
Right. And this road I continue on it, I will pass where you were staying before.
Oh, yeah, which yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Durant Road and Jones, yeah.
So all along here now is Maxwell,
Maxwell,
Christchurch, South Coast.
okay.
And I can pass it through Oistins where you did me to get the fishing thing from.
Okay.
Right. So the sand is royal down through there.
Okay. In the night, like what time the town close off, or any activity that take place around here?
Any town now on the town will revitalize in there because like when the store is shut now, don't really be that action in town. Different to the area that then there's some street where we got like bars with and like strip club and that kind of thing.
Okay.
Like there was the area that near Baxter's Road that you can go and like lay it and get like food like,
and so on. Okay.
Right. But up in these areas now will more be lively and out in town.
Okay.
You got the sarcasm CV back home too?
Yeah, man. Plenty,
Yeah.
man. Damn, I look the whole place
Yeah.
blown off.
Yeah. So here now is Oistins.
Oistins.
Yeah.
Okay. Minimal class, yeah.
There's a Massey. There's all.
Yeah.
There's really building boards and things. Yeah, there's a chauffeur there that you want that the other day invented. So people carry chicken to New York and things and give people.
Okay.
And there's the actual fish market.
Yeah. Also, over there we bought the fruits. So.
Right, so the night now, all of here gonna be full of people, and the line's gonna be long, people waiting to get the stuff. And there's the stage there.
Yeah.
Yeah, going got the music and everything.
Yeah. It was great.
There's the post office. Yeah. There's only one of many in different districts.
Yeah.
Then you got the magistrate court.
so fast by the time you quit the day finish, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Year gone along hard already too.
Yeah.
6 months, half of the year gone.
That's right. I'm waiting on no one.
Maybe first come maybe wasn't sure
Yeah.
where the
Turning
place
that,
was.
Yeah. Turning that road there. I went down there to do some video.
Okay.
Yeah, remember the place good man?
Yeah.
I walk along this road.
Yes.
Golf course somewhere over there.
Yeah, right here on your left.
Yeah, this is where the street.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like when I edit the videos and I'm gonna go on the Google map, yeah, to get the name of the streets, the roads, and so on.
I say this one here is Pilgrim Road.
Okay.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded to In4K International. For more videos, please visit John Knox TV. The link will be in the comment section and in the description of this video. Thanks for watching In4K International.